Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Detroit Diesel versus Cummins. We'll dive into their core differences, examining performance metrics like horsepower and torque. We'll also explore their reliability and maintenance considerations, which are crucial for long-term operation. Finally, we'll discuss their common applications and overall value proposition, helping you understand which engine might be a better fit for your specific needs. This comparison aims to provide a clear overview. When it comes to performance, Cummins engines often boast a broader horsepower range, from around 150 to over 600 horsepower, catering to various demands. Detroit diesel engines, such as the popular DD15, are renowned for their impressive torque, frequently exceeding 1,850 pound-feet. Understanding the power-to-weight ratio is key for specific applications, as both brands deliver robust power, but with distinct characteristics in their delivery. Regarding reliability and maintenance, Cummins engines are celebrated for their robust construction and extensive parts availability, making repairs often straightforward. Detroit diesel engines, especially newer models, incorporate advanced diagnostic systems that simplify troubleshooting and reduce downtime. While both brands offer extensive service networks, maintenance costs can fluctuate based on the specific engine model and adherence to recommended service intervals. Both are built to last with proper care. Considering applications and value, Cummins engines are incredibly versatile, powering everything from heavy-duty trucks to marine vessels and industrial generators. Detroit diesel engines, conversely, are particularly dominant in the heavy-duty trucking and vocational vehicle sectors. Both brands generally maintain strong resale values, influenced by their maintenance history and market demand. Ultimately, the better engine truly depends on your specific operational requirements, budget, and the intended use case.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.